Hello, beautiful souls. I am Awakened Soul, and I'm going to be reviewing Bitcoin today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just finished my Ethereum video, and I just forgot what I said, so... oh, I'm so funny. Make myself laugh here. So one touch, two touch. Let's get started. We are going to get our monthly trend line. Okay, and then we're gonna, this is our support. We can see, visualize it. Just looking at price action, it broke that support, and we are back testing right now. Let's go into the monthly resistance line here. Okay, so we're bullish in that sense, right? Because it broke out of it, retested, and continuation to the upside. In our daily, we're just going to look at price action, what's happening, what's going on. We're going to set support and resistance here. And our daily is yellow. I try to color coordinate everything. And I do use the chakra colors. I think it's so cute. A friend told me about it. And I was like, that makes so much sense, because I like to throw a techno party by the time I'm done charting. Sounds like a plan. It works out for me. Okay, so this is your range within the daily. Let's turn on our highs and lows indicator. And this is just helps me and guides me on connecting some trend lines, right? To choose the right highs and lows. So just really brief here. I'm gonna yellow. We skip the weekly and it's fine. So this right now looks like a channel, right? Just a channel that is, price action is moving to the upside here. Okay, really bullish. It looks pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go within the 4-hour, right? We're trying to day trade here. We're trying to figure out what's our next trade, what's gonna happen. So within my 4 hours, again, we're only gonna be focusing on this contraction phase, okay? What's happening? What's next? Where are we going? Right? This lesson is mostly for you as a day trader to understand that you have to leave the noise behind and you just have to focus on the price action right now. So let's go ahead and go into our 4 hours. Right? I'm just looking at everything, seeing what makes sense to me, what doesn't. Okay. I'm going to use my 1226 EMAs. We're still in this contraction phase, hasn't done much. I did check at Ethereum, and I just posted that video too, and it did seem like it broke from its contraction phase. Let me see if it's right here. And now it's on a trend phase. There you go, really quick. So if you didn't watch the video, so I just finished charting, so I was thinking about this being the contraction phase, right? We just broke to the upside, and now I'll come back to this liquidity zone up here. So I look at both for confluence to see what the market is doing, right? And go from there. So in my 4 hours back over here, everything seems a little bullish to me. Price action is above the daily 12 and 26 EMA. On my 4 hours, just ranging to the side. So how would I take my trade? If you're, first of all, this looks bad. You know, some charts are just not ready for you to take a trade, and it's good for you to understand that. Come in and set your alarms. So for a swing trade, I want this resistance support to break, right? For something major, consideration of swinging something big to our next levels or to our major downside, that would be it. But coming into the charts, just visualizing, you want to set your support, your resistance, right? You want to narrow what are the biggest possibilities in your 30 minutes here. Let me see some trend lines, right? 1 point. And I am working on my own program, guys, so that'll be coming up soon. I just want to teach you all my knowledge, and you know what, like I said, whatever you could use to make TA yours, that's what matters. So we're here in the 30 minutes, right? If we could visualize, see this contraction phase, it broke down. So now it's within this range. Could it keep coming down? Absolutely. This would have been my target for the 30 minutes. Okay. So just based on here, where was my daily open and close? So another thing that I've been using, I think everybody should use, is the sessions algo. And yes, I check a lot of things before I do my trades. And that's like, I think it's important for you to do that. I really do. You know, the point of a day trader is to compound your money. So take your time and focus on what your contraction zone is doing. Focus on, okay, what are the criteria, or what are the checkoff lists for me to take that trade, right? So here I'm still zooming in. It looks like bearish to me right now in this for my next trade. So the reason I'm using the sectionals, because I realized that they'll print like major resistance zones. So if the resistance is broken to the downside or to the upside, it'll give you a bigger like win possibility, I would say, because it's really cool. You have to look at it. I really need to look into it. Sorry, my explanation's not that great. It just works for me. It's like downtrend, and yeah, I'll make a video on it. So yeah, so I'm here in my 5 minutes. This is my cute little contraction phase. So I want to take a trade. So this is how it's gonna, in the 1 minute. I mean, you can visualize it here. Let me show you. This is the play. Now it's gonna come down. It's gonna bounce and continue to the upside. So this higher low would be perfect to continue to the upside. Or it's gonna roll over. Take the chance. You could take a short really quick and just do a quick scalp to the downside, because you might get lucky and break to the downside, right? Or it could just come down right here, like I said, and then bounce to the upside. So that's how I play this game, guys. One thing at a time, level to level. Just focus, zoom in on your contraction phase, and let the games begin. Much love, and remember to do everything with love.